We're here with Bill Roberts, Director of Product Management at Adobe. And Bill, what I'd love to start out talking about is the plan-to-playback strategy that is leading the video business at Adobe right now.
Sure, and it's something that's really resonated very well with customers. About 6 years ago, we set down a strategy of trying to have tools that take people from their first idea all the way through to their final deliverables that have to get out. So today, we have a set of solutions, starting with Adobe Story that captures script and creates rich metadata, through to Prelude for ingest after you've created all your content on set, through to the four products that really make up the core creative tools: Premiere, After Effects, SpeedGrade, and Audition. So all of those allowing you to go as deep as you want to in each of those functional areas. And finally, outputting into AME, Adobe Media Encoder, which allows people to deliver either web streams or server streams, whatever you need to get your story out. By having that whole connected workflow, but also having each of the point products being open and being a solution that people can extend, is absolutely key and something that really resonates with people.
And then beyond the plan-to-playback strategy, we're also talking about a new thing in Project Primetime.
Well, that's the whole thing. Adobe's uniquely positioned. So not only can we take your ideas from concept, to the last faded pixel on the screen, we're really focused on distribution and monetization. So, there are really different people in the organization who worry about these things, so we don't often talk about them together. But we can take your content, and with the Adobe Media Server, we can distribute to any screen you want to. We can add DRM around that content, so we can get your message out to any screen you need to. And then downstream from that, we can actually add monetization, and we can actually track the way that your content is being consumed and help you optimize that. So we've got the whole closed loop system from creation all the way through to distribution and monetization.
And so where is Project Primetime showing up in the marketplace at this point?
Well, I think one of the biggest places we've seen is we just finished the Olympics, and we were very involved in the Olympics on both sides of the pond, working very closely in Europe with BBC. And it was just a great experience, and this is really the manifestation of the multi-screen reality we've been talking about. And with the Olympics, we could see people during the day watching as a second experience on their work computer, traveling home watching on their iPhone or mobile device, and in the evening watching on their TV and having their tablet ready and right next to them so they could see a richer experience. So I think it's just an amazing time. When we started talking about the multi-screen reality, it's here.
There it is. And so along with partnerships like the BBC, we're also talking a lot about integrated partnerships on the show floor. So can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, it's really just been an amazing year. The number of people who've chosen to make Adobe their partner and their platform is just incredible. I think we're going to have approximately 60 different partners showing various different integrations. Some of them, standard API type, processing things. But the big trend we've seen is the content panel. So people are creating integrated workflows, particularly with media asset management systems. They can create a panel that's resident right in the interface and creates true, rich workflow. So it's really heartwarming to see people build on top of these things. And I think to be successful today, you have to be more than a product. You have to be a platform, you have to be open, and you have to embrace your partners.
And it seems that the partners are embracing us too, which is great.
It's gone exceptionally well, and we're really looking forward to the show floor because we're anticipating everywhere you go, you're going to see Premiere.
Love it. Thank you so much, Bill, and thank you guys for watching.